time. People swore it off as a phase, said we can't see that. Now from top to bottom, they see that we did that. Yes, it's so true that we've been through it. Yes, we got real shit. Yes, see, baby, we've been too strong for too long, and I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home, 'cause I can't sleep without you, baby. Anybody who's ever loved you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. Yeah, I got a question. Either way, we both wrong. You need water, you need bread, you need water, you need loose love, you need water. On my knee, could keep my cool, but tonight I'm running. I'm a bee in a dangerous mood. Can you match my timing? Telling me that you're ready for it, what you're hiding. Talk is straight, so show me that you understand how I'm thinking. Can you blow my mind? Set it up for whole body. If I give you my time, can you set myself from it? I don't want to wait. I'm thinking, take me where I'm before. Can you blow my mind? Set it up for whole body, whole body. You need bread, you need water, you need those love, you need water, you need bread, you need water, you need those love, you need water. Hopefully, you can let someday, don't get too excited.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time for her. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I'm
on my way to my Christmas party at work. I'm running a little late. It's 5:30. It has started at 5 o'clock. You know how black people, it's gonna be like an hour and a half, and then I'm supposed to go bowling and drinking with my coworkers. So we're gonna see how that goes. I wanted to do my makeup, but I didn't have time because I had to make another dish. If I didn't have to make another dish, I would have dressed up a little bit. So I just had to just throw something on. I just got this 2-piece on. Everybody is late. Everybody in the group chat. I'm so excited. I love my coworkers. They so sweet. I love some of them. This one girl I work with, she's annoying. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all once I get there because it's 5 o'clock and y'all already know it's traffic time. So, and then I'm gonna finish talking to my friends. So I'll see y'all when I get there.
Oh, I need this. Why you with the Bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Home when you're not here, ain't a home when you're not here. The grown when you're not here, I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose without with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I'm just curling up my hair. Invited to this Friendmas. So I need to find me some Christmas pajamas. Gonna head to a few stores. I know it's late. I should have been like went to go find me some Christmas pajamas for this thing. But like I'm so excited. This will be my first, you know, Friendmas. I think it's gonna be fun. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. One of the malls here, I got to go back because like y'all, this two-piece I got for $10 and it's so cute. Makeup is giving with the no lash look. I had been ordering me some lashes off Amazon, but they not even gonna come in time until like after Christmas. So I was just like, I'm gonna just probably have to get some from the beauty store, or I'm just not gonna wear no lashes. I mean, my makeup still be cute with no lashes, but it just give you that extra with the lashes. I did wanted to take me some pictures today, but it was raining all day, so I was just like, I'm not even in the mood no more. I got my nails done today. I don't know if y'all can yeah, y'all really can't. Let me see. Manager, oh, we can't have long nails, but for my birthday I'm getting long nails. I only did it for this time. Everybody ready for Christmas? I'm low-key ready. I'm ready for Christmas to get here and be over with. I really wish that my birthday was middle of the year. I feel like the best birthdays to me is May to like October. I really don't have any plans for my birthday, unfortunately. I'm just probably gonna just do a dinner with my friends. That's about it. Yeah, that's about it. No real big plans. I really want to go to Mardi Gras. I was talking to one of my homegirls about going. We probably drive there. Since I don't really do nothing for my birthday, I think I want to go to like New Orleans like the next month. Or I've never been, and it's like I really want to go, because that's all people be talking about. You gotta go once. I'm like, okay. My co-workers, they ate up my baked spaghetti. Like I literally only got a little bit. They loved it. I was like, oh Nisha, this is so good. Like, oh my god. And then the banana pudding, y'all, I was monitoring that. I was like, ooh, I do not want them to eat all this. I want to take some home. I brought like half home, so they ate like half of it, because baby, y'all, banana pudding is like my favorite dessert. Cute and comfy. All right, y'all, so I'm at Walmart. I just need me two things up in here, so I can go ahead and go home, because I'm like tired. Ooh, this is kind of cute. Some of that Christmas stuff be looking too big. Look at me, I'm supposed to be getting some other stuff. I ain't buying nothing else, even though I really spend that much money. But yeah, I got tomorrow. When I get off tomorrow, I'm gonna go try to find me the. Hey y'all, so today is the next day. It is Friday. I'm finna be on my way to give me some more little things for the Friendmas that I'm going to tomorrow. It's late, it's 8:30 at night, and I'm gonna go to a couple of stores because I gotta return something to Old Navy. I really took a nap because I was doing laundry. I had cleaned up my apartment a little bit. So yeah, and I wanted to do some more stuff, so I wanted to get like my feet done, and I overslept, so I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys to the store with me just to get a couple of little things, and I'm probably gonna look around for some more. I believe it's like literally almost Christmas. Like this year went by fast. I believe, because I'm not gonna get my parking spot. I feel like now, since I'm older, like I mean, want to get my parking spot. And then I hate our parking space here so much. Like the parking is so freaking small, it's ridiculous. I do not like it. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna go ahead.
and all the things that come along with you make me be the one I'm with. Slow relationship.
Y'all, I could not find my phone. I was getting worried. I was literally just listening to music and I'm like, okay, did I set my phone like on my car? Because I had too many bags. Normally when I have too many bags, I just put my phone in my pouch that I got, or normally I'll put it like in a bag that, you know, that I'm taking into the store. It's on the side of my seat because I was trying to, you know, return and then I forgot that I used Apple Pay. When you use Apple Pay, you gotta use your phone, and I didn't have it. I could find it, so she just gave me cash back, which what I wanted anyway. I'm gonna go up in Forever 21.
Said I've been away too long. Every time I hear that song, I don't wanna hear it no more.
11 o'clock. Need something at Forever 21. I got these. Got this plain, like a headband or something where I can put on. I got me some bras. And then girl, I got some new undies. Brush my teeth, pray, and go to sleep. I gotta go to work in the morning, and then activities tomorrow night when I get off. So hey y'all, today is Saturday. I'm on my way to Friendmas when I'm running behind. It started at 8. It's almost 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there.
Fourth quarter. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shaking like jelly. 100 days of
If you gotta take one shot, else I gotta take my shot.
With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fatty. And I'm bagging his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. All the hating bitches to the back. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Yeah, bitches be going. She shake it like jelly. 100 days of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should've been peed. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, exactly. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't say my name don't seem right. But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude.